The Bosch GSR18V-190B22 18V compact 1/2 inches drill driver kit features a drill with 480 N-pounds of torque, for more power to tackle the toughest tasks around the job site. It has a 2-speed transmission, one optimized for high-torque driving and one for high-speed drilling. This drill provides 20+1 clutch settings for accurate driving and reduced fastener damage. This compact tool is handy for overhead applications, with a short head length and a weight of only 2.75 pounds. Tool only, not including battery. The GSR18V-190 has a keyless 1/2 in. Chuck, a built-in LED and an ergonomic soft grip handle. The kit includes two 1.5 Ah Slimpack batteries, an 18V charger, and a carrying bag. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. The Bosch GSR18V-190B22 drill driver kit provides an enhanced torque rating, delivering 480 inches-pounds of torque for improved productivity. Number 2. Compact. Featuring a compact, lightweight design, the GSR18V-190B22 weighs only 2.75 pounds, tool only, not including battery, and has only a 7.8 inches head length. Number 3. Accuracy. With 20+1 clutch settings, the drill driver provides accuracy for reduced fastener damage. The keyless ratcheting 1/2 inch chuck with auto-lock enables easier bit changes. Number 4. Versatility. The GSR18V-190B22 provides 2-speed settings, allowing for high speed, 0 to 1700 RPM, setting and high power, 0 to 450 RPM, mode. Number 5. Convenient. The GSR18V-190B22 includes a built-in LED light, an ergonomically designed soft grip handle, 21.5 Ah Slimpack batteries, an 18V charger, and a carrying bag. Number 6. Optimized performance for everyday applications. The drill driver is ideal for everyday drilling and driving applications. It offers a 2-speed transmission, one optimized for heavy-duty driving and the other for high-speed drilling. Number 7. Lightweight drill, ideal for overhead tasks. The DDB18102 provides performance in a lightweight and easy-to-use tool. Since it weighs just 3.0 pounds, tool only, not including battery, it is a great choice for overhead drilling and driving. Number 8. 100% compatibility with Bosch 18V batteries. The DDB18102 kit includes two 2.0 Ah Slimpack batteries and a charger. The drill is compatible with all Bosch 18V batteries, including optional high-power CORE 18V next-gen batteries. Number 9. The Bosch DDB18102 includes 1. DDB181 and a 1/2 inch compact drill driver, 1. Screwdriving bit, 2. 1. 5 Ah Slimpack batteries, 1. Charger, 1. Contractor bag, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.